Oh yeah. This guy that's almighty. This is Edgar. He was born on April 1st, and then surprise, all three. Yeah, their mom doesn't want them to nurse anymore. All three triplets were born on August 10th. All boys.
All boys.
That's crazy. That 9 days apart.
No, one was August, and these are August, and that one's April. See that bigger one?
Oh, April, yeah. Oh, it said August.
Look how nice he. Oh, that little one. Look. Hello, little one. That's that. Where's your food? Meow. It's like, get me out of this place.
Look at the squirrel. I bet that cat like catch that squirrel, dude.
Oh yeah, that's what it's wanting out for, probably. That's beautiful, that cat right there, ain't it? Palace's cat.
It's showing off too.
I can't keep up with it, it's moving so much. You're a pretty boy. Come here, pretty boy. You're a pretty donkey. Ew. What's its tail? Ew. Pretty boy. Ew. He's out with my food.
That is her for children, family.